We should not occupy ourselves with meaningless trivialities, especially those lay practitioners who must earn a living. Although they face significant life pressures, and may occasionally have no choice but to deal with trivial matters, they should not live without the Dharma in their minds. These days some people do not pursue the Dharma. Others may appear to study it, but they are only Buddhists in name, not in essence, which means the Dharma has not truly penetrated their minds. Thus their practice becomes merely a formality. Such individuals are quite pitiful, and it is difficult to predict their ultimate fate. In short, everyone must reflect on the teachings we have just learned. It is insufficient to understand them only at a surface level. After contemplation, we must put these teachings into genuine practice. On one hand, we must reflect upon the possibility of falling into the hell realms. On the other hand, we should cultivate deep and intense compassion for beings currently suffering in the hells and enduring excruciating torments.